deliciousness.
All right. So these are the butter-filled, traditional, wonderful, yum yum, and these are the vegan, dairy-free, egg-free,
made with Earth Balance.
Earth Balance.
When I noticed when I took them out of the oven, there was a little bit more liquid on the pan than the butter ones.
Like a little bit more melted out.
Yeah, it's a little softer, so it takes a little bit to work with.
And they're a little less dark, so without the egg wash, it's not going to get as dark. But I think we're pretty good here. So we have a special guest, our friend Holly. Come on over here, Holly. Holly's a rabid Patriots fan. Ooh, all right. Oh, hey.
Hi,
Jessica. Hey, Kelly. Okay, so we are going to use Holly as a guinea pig, and she's going to pick a lovely croissant and give it a try and let us know what she thinks.
I'm allergic to wheat and have a lot of family members who have to have a grain-free diet, and I'm so excited. I have
really
missed
exciting.
croissants like you would not believe.
All right.
Oh,
Pick whichever one. No, pick which one looks
whatever
most delicious.
You can even
Show
do
the
the pan au
camera.
chocolat if you really want.
No, I feel like that would be rude.
There's only one.
Okay, yeah, exactly.
Thank you, Kelly. She says they look wonderful.
Ready? Oh.
They're crackling.
Oh my God, they are crackling. Part of what makes the croissant experience fabulous is that sound.
Yep.
And then when you feel like you have to wipe your hands.
Mm-hmm.
If it doesn't
Oh, yeah.
wipe, you don't have to wipe your hands.
No.
I'm not effing eating
No, it
it.
has to. Yeah, it has to get a little bit on
Getting
you.
ready for
No. Oh, the inside is flaky and moist and bouncy all at the same time. It has that I shouldn't be eating you, but I want to smell. I'm so excited.
When's the last time you had a croissant? Oh,
Years
I
ago.
stopped you. I just stopped you.
Like years ago. Seriously, I think 5 years ago.
All right.
When I had this, when it finally dawned on me, the reason I was sick all the time and my face was exploding and I was getting hives was because I was allergic to wheat.
Yeah. Yep. And oh wait, never mind.
I'm gonna stick it in your face.
I'd be okay with that. Not really.
Okay, ready? We're not
Okay, ready?
Mm.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mm.
The thing where part of the top gets on the outside of your lip.
Yeah.
That's part of what
Oh.
has to happen.
Yeah.
And it just
Mhm.
happened.
Yep. Oh, Jessica's dead. Sorry, Jessica, we killed you.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Get your butt over here. Come get one.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Now, Holly did not watch our first video, so she doesn't even know how easy these are to make. So I added her to the group. She's going to go back and she's going to watch it, and then she's going to be like, sharing it all over the place with everyone.
I'm gonna be like, no, honey, I'm really sorry. The first batch didn't work.
All right, Phoebe, dig into the dairy-free vegan.
These
Now,
are so beautiful. Check these out. They have a nice color on them.
Yeah,
They came out really good.
not bad.
They don't have the same shine. See,
Right.
this is the one with the egg wash, and then this is without. So, so let's see. I'll break it open over here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it was just totally crackly.
Yeah.
These are a little bit on the warmer side.
So they'll be a little
So you can
bit
see them.
gummy.
So they'll be a little gummy.
When you make these for the first time, don't eat them when they're warm. Trust me. They're good, but they're not as good. So I want you to have your very first
Look
bite
at
to
that.
be as awesome as possible. And then later on, when you make your second batch, go ahead and eat them when they're a little warm. Holly says they're not as gummy as I say they are, but I'm picky.
So good.
Yeah.
So
And I
tasty.
feel like, I mean, we just tried this with Earth Balance. So it's our first time with a dairy-free butter substitute that has a distinctive flavor that tastes like, you should come over here and do that. Get over here. Holly's in love. Here's your napkin. She's like, I don't need a stinking napkin. Anyway, so it has a distinctive Earth Balance flavor. But if that's what you use all the time, that's what you're going to be used to. It's not going to be a problem. Like for me, I'm like,
perfect.
I'm going to stick with the butter, but that's because I can.
Yep.
And so
This is perfect.
yeah, we'll keep trying with different types of non-dairy butter options and figure out what works and what doesn't work and what maybe is the best. But
I'm going to scroll this down for a second so I can see what people are saying. Oh, Junior said.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, good. Yum.
Yay, Junior will love them. Awesome sauce. Okay, so couple like housekeeping notes sort of things that I wanted to mention. One, the recipe is live on the blog, quintessentialbaker.com, top recipe.
Be there or be square.
Great.
Actually, it's on Squarespace.
No, it's quintessentialbaker.com.
Yeah, but it's hosted by Squarespace.
Oh, yeah, you just don't have to put
Just
Squarespace in.
funny.
Yeah. Funny. She's funny. All right, so go check out the recipe. Give it a try. Please tell us if you try it, how it goes for you. Let us know if there are any problems, concerns, confusion in the written instructions. Like, we want to make it as easy to do as possible. So any feedback that you want to give, even if it's totally like, this drove me crazy and I couldn't stand it and I hated this part, please.
If you're on Instagram, hashtag I'm Quintessential Baker, and we'll be able to see your creations.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then you did not need and do not need the baking guide that is for sale on Quintessential Baker to make these croissants, but all the rest of the recipes you will. So it's for sale now. It's in the store, $10. Gives you all the information you need to be able to make all the recipes that are already on there and all the recipes that will be on there throughout the year. We have a plan, a rollout plan of a new recipe every single week, and like all the way till next February at least. And that doesn't even like cover all the recipes that I already have created, and then the ones that I'm like, ooh, I need to do that, and I need to do that, and I need to.
Do you want to give them a hint of what next week is?
Oh, next week is going to be sugar cookies because Valentine's Day is coming up. Right? Am I right?
Yep.
Yeah, and then we got like pizza, and then we have king cake because Mardi Gras. Yeah, and after that, I don't remember. So
we got a lot of fun stuff planned.
A lot of good stuff. So we have a plan, but if somebody's like absolutely dying for something that I've already developed, like just let us know, and maybe we'll rearrange the plan a little bit. Yeah, fit it in a little bit. Okay, so yes, Holly? Oh, look at her.
Do you want the chocolate one? Do you want to try it? You should try it.
Wait,
try
but there's only one.
It's okay.
Just
Can I
try
have half? Well,
Yeah.
start with half.
It's not that I like croissants or anything.
Or that she likes chocolate ones.
Yeah, no, not at all. No, don't throw me in that.
What time does the Super Bowl start?
6:30.
Okay, so if you want to make these for your Super Bowl party, you still have time. If you get on it right now,
you'd be eating them by halftime.
Yes.
Here, see, there's
Yep.
half there.
You know, I don't want to tease people with that though, because if they hadn't already ordered the buckwheat flour from nuts.com,
Yeah.
if you order it today, it should be here by tomorrow or Tuesday. No, you can't. You can't. I've never found the right kind of buckwheat flour.
You could try
kind
it.
of buckwheat.
You could try it, but I don't guarantee
Look
it.
at that ooey
I know,
gooeyness.
right?
Okay, did you guys want some?
I don't mind any.
We've
You
had
eat
it.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Because
you
I'm
eat it.
not going to ask you
Eat
yet.
it.
I'll eat this one with just some more croissanties.
Yeah.
I'm moving in.
Yes.
Oh, God.
I have always said all I got to start with is some rabid fans. I have one.
Yes.
Love.
We love you, Holly.
Inside information, Holly's our clowning teacher. Phoebe and I have taken clowning with Holly, and she's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to say one other thing that is kind of sort of related to Quintessential Baker, but more related to this group. So those of you who are in this group who are like, what happened to the essential oils? I just wanted to create an umbrella group that encompasses all the goodness I have to share with the world. So it's going to have essential oils. It's going to have grain-free baking. It's going to have healthy living. It's going to have personal development. It's going to have all the things that I want to share with the world all in one place. So if you're brand new because you came for the baking, yay, extra stuff. And then if you're here because of the oils, I'm not going to stop sharing oil stuff. So it's all going to be there.
Awesome.
Awesome sauce.
You guys can catch up with me on Instagram under Wonky Whimsy, and I do a lot of crafting, baking, and a lot of amigurumi art. So feel free to come and hang out with me over there.
Uber talented.
Thanks.
Yeah. So I think that is all we've got today. This is so exciting. Thank you for the giveaway.
Oh.
Okay. Anybody new?
Kelly.
Kelly
is.
Kelly. Okay, Kelly is number 5. Alex.
Yeah, what?
Give me a number between 1 and 5.
3.
3. Okay, that's Celia. Celia, you win a free baking guide. I'll send you the code we'll tell you how to do
Woo!
it. So, woo-hoo.
Yay, Celia.
All right, awesome sauce.
Okay,
We're good.
we did it.
Yay.
See you guys.
See you guys soon.